Hello guys, again welcome to our channel, and of course this is teacher Bong Fontanilla saying his smile is a curved line that sets everything straight. Of course, for this time, we will still explore ALGEBRATOR, a mathematics application that can show us complete solutions and answers to some algebra problems. And by this time, i-present ko sa inyo kung paano ito gamitin sa pagsisimplify ng fractions at saka pag-ooperate ng fractions. Alam ko marami sa atin ang medyo nahihirapan, lalong-lalo na yung mga elementary grades or grade 7, 8, and even grades 9 and 10. Marami pa rin yung nahihirapang mag-operate ng fractions. And this ALGEBRATOR can help us because it can show us solutions and answers on how to arrive or how to simplify them and how to arrive the answers if we are operating these fractions. So come and join us and let us explore the math application ALGEBRATOR. Okay guys, so let us try to explore now the use of ALGEBRATOR in simplifying fractions. So naka-screen recorder na tayo. Hanapin natin yung application na ALGEBRATOR. So na-download po natin. So anyway, kung hindi nyo pa na-download yung app na yon, so punta lang kayo sa inyong App Store o Play Store. Then i-key in ang ALGEBRATOR. Then makikita nyo ito. Okay. Wait. Yan, yung nasa taas, yung kulay red dyan, na parang may symbol na inverted V. So, yun yung ALGEBRATOR natin. Okay, so i-select natin. Ayan, so this is now our ALGEBRATOR. So, ito yung kanyang mga characters and functions. So, yung first line natin, yung mga numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including 0. Yung second row, meron tayong next line, meron tayong period, then yung ating less than, greater than, o yung mga inequalities. Tapos, meron tayong exponent, meron tayong radicals, then meron tayong arrow to the left, arrow to the right, then meron tayong f of x dyan, tapos yung x as subscript, then this one. So, ito yung function na kakailanganin natin. This, ayan. So, meron tayong square sa taas, tapos bar sa gitna, then another square sa baba. So, this is of the function that we are going to use to key in our fractions if we are to simplify using this ALGEBRATOR. Okay. So, tignan natin. So, simplifying fractions using the ALGEBRATOR. So, itong ALGEBRATOR, kapag nagbigay tayo ng mga fractions na unsimplified, sinisimplify po niya. Pero bago yon, iset muna natin si ALGEBRATOR dun sa simplification. So, pindutin ito yung sa may upper right corner. Meron tayong tatlong line dyan. Ito. So, pindutin. Ayan. So, meron tayong solve, meron tayong simplify, meron tayong graph, meron tayong GCF, LCM, new history settings, upgrade terms of use, send feedback about. So, select natin yung simplify since we are on simplifying fractions. So, Ayan, nakaset na siya. Nakikita natin, simplify dun sa taas. Okay, let us say, i-simplify natin yung 3 over 6. So, 3 over 6, pindutin yung fraction function natin. Ayan. So, nakaset na siya as fraction. So, pwede tayo mag-key in ng number for our numerator sa taas. And, of course, denominator sa baba. So, meron tayong 3 over 6. So, pindutin yung 3. Tapos, punta tayo dun sa denominator. Select natin lang doon sa baba. Then, 6. Okay, pindutin yung 6. Then, simplify. So, pindutin lang yung solve. Ayan. So, i-represent niya ngayon yung kanyang solution at saka yung answer. So, 3 over 6. So, that is equal to 3 over, finactor niya yung 6. That is 2 times 3. Then, of course, i-cancel natin yung 3 sa numerator at saka denominator. Ang matitira ay 1 sa numerator at saka 2 sa denominator. So, the answer is 1/2. So, ganun lang kasimple, no? So, kung hindi tayo medyo sanay sa pag-simplify, pwede natin gamitin ito. Then, we can observe, evaluate, or learn from the solutions given. Para at least ma-practice natin kung paano tayo mag-simplify ng fractions. Okay, another. Let us say you're given 10 over 5. So, pindutin yung 10. Then, pindutin yung fraction, function. So, pindutin yung 10 for numerator. Then, pindutin yung pang-denominator na 5. So, we have now 10 over 5. So, we have solved. Okay, so 10 over 5, 2 times 5. So, that can be simplified as 2. So, napakadali. Okay. Next. 21 over 35. So, again, yung fraction function natin. Then, pindutin ang 21 for numerator. Then, pindutin ang 35 for denominator. So, again, select solve. There. So, the answer is 3 over 5. So, look, it presents the complete solution. 21 can be factored out as 3 times 7. Then, 35 can be factored out as 3 times 7. So, i-cancel natin yung 7. Ang matitira ay 3 over 5. Okay, let us see another. So, say you're given 54 over 90. So, pindutin muna natin yung fraction function natin. So, we have to key in 54 for the numerator and key in 90 for denominator. Then, select solve. There. So, the answer is 3 over 5. So, yun. It presents the whole or complete solution. Ang 54 natin is 2 times 3 raised to 3 or 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 all over 2 times 3 raised to 2 or 3 times 3 times 5. So, then, we can get 3 over 5. Okay, last. So, say you're given 85 over 25. So, select natin yung fraction function natin. Then, key in 85 for the numerator. Key in 25 for the denominator. Then, select solve. Okay, so the answer is simply 17 over 5. So, your 85 over 25, its simplified form is 17 over 5. So that's how easy using the ALGEBRATOR in simplifying fractions. Napakadali lang. I-represent niya lahat yung solution, tapos ibibigay niya yung tamang answer. Okay, so much for this. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep safe.